Welcome to Sam Nguyen's Fine Art Photo Editing course. First I will introduce myself. Sam is a leading photographer in Vietnam. Sam is also the only Vietnamese person who is an ambassador to promote the image of Korean tourism. At the same time, I has also traveled to over 20 countries for wedding photography and fashion photography. For are many top famous stars in Vietnam. And do many commercial photo shoots. Sam has also organized many courses and workshops in Vietnam and around the world. Especially in the USA. Like you before, Sam also had a lot of difficulties with Photoshop. Because Photoshop it's too complicated. I just want to brighten the photo. I have to go through a lot of stages and do a lot of manipulations to light up the photo. Sam has encountered many such difficulties and struggles with Photoshop. At first, Sam took natural photos. Then Sam switched to using lights and fine art editing. Then Sam had even more difficulties and problems with Photoshop. Usually a picture of Sam takes 30 minutes to 1 hour. It takes too much time. Even the photos album that Sam had to edit took a whole week. It takes a day to take photos, but a week to edit photos. Then Sam was very stressed. So Sam always asks the question, how can I simplify the photo editing problem? How can I increase the speed of editing?
Finally, after 6 months of working and using all of Sam's more than 10 years of photo editing experience, Sam has successfully researched and developed FineArt Secret image editing software. Sam put the whole process into this plugin and from there it increased Sam's image editing speed by 5 to 10 times.
So instead of 30 minutes to 1 hour before, currently, Sam only takes 3 to 5 minutes for a photo. From there, it saves a lot of time, focusing on taking more pictures. Then with Sam's photo editing process and a supporting tool, currently, Sam is very gentle in photo editing. Sam has handed over all the photo editing to Sam's employees, something that Sam couldn't do before, because editing is too complicated and cumbersome. Now the process is very simple, anyone can do it. So it was Sam's co-workers who edited Sam's photo. So now Sam is out of photo editing and doesn't have to edit photos anymore. This course is designed by Sam to be very simple and easy to understand. For those of you who have never even used Photoshop, you can still learn. Then through this photo editing process of Sam, then you will step by step master the ways for me to process a photo. And I can edit beautiful photos, without having to study too deeply in Photoshop. Now Sam will start sharing his photo editing experience with you. Sam believes that after this course, you will be confident to become good photo editors, not inferior to any professional photo editor.